you doing? Welcome to another edition of What's Cooking with Shawn over here in the bistro. This week we're going to run a special that's real close to my heart because I'm a vegetarian burrito. We're going to assemble this burrito inside of a bowl. This vegetarian burrito is real easy to make and to assemble. We have a couple of ingredients, fresh ingredients right here. We have some fresh lettuce, some black bean, some cherry tomatoes, some fresh avocados. We made a homemade corn relish, like a salsa, that's made out of fresh corn, red onions, lemon juice, a little salt and pepper, and a little lime juice. And we're going to use a vegetable patty where you can find in your local grocery stores. Just a regular protein vegetable patty that you can use for a protein source. Also, you're gonna need some brown rice. All right, first we're gonna start by taking the vegetable patty. We're gonna slice this down into chunks. And take this and gently put it on top of the brown rice. What we're doing, we building our burrito bowl. Okay, you're going to take some of your cherry tomatoes, also avocado, lettuce, shredded lettuce, which I just took a regular green leaf lettuce and then I just cut it down into strips. And then you're going to take last your corn. This is the actual burrito bowl. What I did was I made a homemade avocado cilantro dressing, which is made out of fresh avocados, Greek yogurt, lime juice, honey, a little salt, and a pinch of pepper. Okay? You want to gently spread this over top of your bowl. Top it with some fresh cilantro. For presentation, just take a piece of lime, squeeze it over, put it on the side, and there you have it. A fresh burrito bowl. Please come and join us over at the bistro in the cafe for our vegetarian burrito bowl. Will be served next week. Thank you.